Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing charlottegracejewelry.com. So as you can see, we have it here open up on their website. So this is exactly a scam website, guys. I'm just going to say this right off the bat. Since where can you buy a silver and emerald ring for just $30 and $40? So this image right here is very clearly AI generated. They didn't even try making this website look good. And as you can see, this place, their physical store, is not basically non-existent and very clearly AI generated. So I couldn't find any other information about this website online, and this seems to be all online store and basically just a scam. So please don't order from them with the hopes of actually getting real emeralds, silver, and gold, since it is very cheap. And where can you buy it for cheap? If they actually sold these for these prices, they would actually be making headlines and they would be actually more famous. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.